Hi guys, welcome. Your girl Jenny O here. So I don't know, I was just bored and I was like, what am I gonna do to my face? I was like, you know what, why not do like just foundation. I didn't do anything on my eyes. I got my lashes done, the individual mink lashes, and so I'm afraid to like put on eyeshadow. So far I've had them on for a week and they're still pretty good. I got them done for my birthday. It's really good and they're waterproof. But anyway, I don't want to put any eyeshadow. So this is just like, I guess you could say fresh, fast look. I guess just foundation or like beach look. If you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and please don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. Hello. So first I'm going to moisturize my whole entire face. And I'm going to use Glam Glow. The Glow Master. The moisturizing mega illuminating. It's important to always moisturize your face before you put it. And then next I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using the Benefit Porefessionals, and I'm only using it here because I have really large pores over here. And I'm gonna press it in. I'm not gonna rub.
Next level.
To cover the marks on my face because I have a lot. I'm going to try to conceal my under eyes, and I'm going to use both the Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid in peach and dark peach.
Next level.
Also, weightless complete coverage weightless concealer. And next, we're going to do this. I think I kind of did it backwards, but I use this with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour. then we're gonna take the Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette. And for my under eye, I'm gonna use this color. I'm going to take my E44 Morphe brush and then use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation.
Next level. Next level.
I think I'm just gonna brighten the inner corner. Jaclyn Hill. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips with the ColourPop lippy pencil, and then I'm just gonna fill it in with this nude stick in Siren. My hair is really bad, so I have to keep this headband on. I gotta wash it. I was thinking about doing liner underneath.